Hey guys, Chris here. Gonna show you real quick how to record videos on your iPhone, like how to screen capture kind of what you're doing on your iPhone. It's good for tutorials. Maybe you're showing somebody how to do something like I'm doing now. Super easy. So what you're gonna do is in the top right corner, if you pull down, you kind of have your control center, right? You see flashing red here on the bottom left. That's gonna be your button to record, start recording. So if you tap that one time, it'll have like a 3-second countdown and start recording. Um, and then you'll kind of see it in the top left, that red time kind of indicates that you're recording your screen. So if you hold down before you start recording, hold down that button, you'll see an option to choose where you want to save the video to, maybe like Twitch or just like your photos. That's what I do, is just save to my photos. It also gives you the option to record your microphone. So like I have my AirPods in. If I didn't have that option selected, it wouldn't record any audio. So it would just be kind of doing what you're doing on your phone, but no audio. So you want to make sure that microphone option is selected. And then if you go to settings, if you don't see that in your control center, if you go to settings here, you have your control center option. And the fifth one down, you see screen recording. That may not be added to your included controls. So all you do is go here where all the green plus marks are, look for the screen recording option, hit the green plus sign, and that'll add it to your options. So this right here, the screen recording. So pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Again, if you want to record your own audio like I'm doing now, you want to make sure you hold it down, that red button down, and it'll give you the option to turn the microphone on. And then when you're done, you can just hit the little red option at the top left, and a thing will pop up that says stop recording. It'll save it to your photos or wherever you chose, and you're good to go. So it's good to help kind of make tutorials or even just record whatever kind of videos you want to do for recording your phone. So hopefully it helps. And if you got any questions, Bill, write down in the comments. Thanks, guys.